This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump packs effectively. Jump packs are powerful tools for any space marine, offering incredible mobility across the battlefield. They allow you to quickly traverse terrain, close distances to enemies, or make a swift escape from overwhelming odds. Mastering your jump pack will significantly enhance your combat prowess and tactical options, turning you into a truly unstoppable force. To begin, activate your jump pack with a single press of the designated button. For basic movement, use short, controlled bursts to reposition yourself during intense firefights. You can also combine a jump with a powerful melee attack to perform a devastating aerial slam, dealing significant damage to foes below. Remember, gaining the high ground quickly provides a tactical advantage, allowing you to survey the battlefield and target enemies more effectively. For more advanced tactics, try performing a powerful slam attack by jumping high and then quickly descending onto your targets. Jump packs are also excellent for bypassing environmental obstacles, allowing you to reach otherwise inaccessible areas. You can chain multiple jumps together to cover vast distances across the map in mere seconds. Furthermore, use unpredictable aerial dodges to evade incoming enemy fire, making you a much harder target to hit. Effective fuel management is crucial for sustained jump pack usage. Always keep an eye on your fuel gauge. It regenerates automatically over a short period, so plan your movements accordingly. As you progress, consider investing in upgrades to enhance your jump pack. These upgrades can increase your maximum fuel capacity, improve your fuel regeneration rate, or even unlock new abilities. Choose upgrades that best complement your preferred combat style and mission objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.